Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about tables. Before we start our coding, first we need to understand the structure of the table itself. Now we have this table, and this table contains of 4 rows, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first row carries our heads, the table heads, name, age and phone. And the second, third and the fourth row carries some data. So now the structure of this table is that it contains of 4 table rows, and the table rows in the HTML are referred to as TR. So now we have 4 TR. The first TR, the first table row, contains 1, 2, 3, contains 3 table heads. As for the second, third and fourth TR, each row contains 3 table data. So now we have understood the structure of the table. Now let's start our coding. First we're going to add our table tag, and inside our table we need to add first our rows. So we have TR, and the TR contains, as we've mentioned, 3 table heads, so name, and then we can copy it, and as you can see the T head is displayed in bold, and age and phone. And we also have second TR, and this TR contains table data, so add them, copy it, and 20, and let's add a phone number, and I'm going to copy this TR, paste in here, and paste in here. So now this is our table, but as you can see there is no border surrounding our table, so in order to do that we're going to go in here and then use the border attribute 1 pixel, and here's our border. Now I need to mention that in the upcoming videos we're going to use the CSS in order to style everything, even our tables, and it's not quite right to add the border in here. However, for now, in this course, we're interested in the HTML itself. But later we will see how to add additional styling to our elements. So this is our table. Now let's add a caption for this table. And let's say details. And here's our caption. Now what if each user has 2 phone numbers, not only one? So in this case we need to add additional TD, which belongs to the phone head. So in order to do that we're going to go to the TH phone and then call span 2, and the call span specifies that you're going to add additional table data. So the call span increases the number of the TD. So now phone, table head phone is expecting 2 table data. In case we add 3, now it's expecting 3 table data. So let's change it to 2, and then let's go in here and add TD, another phone number. And as you can see, this phone number is now displayed below the phone head, so it belongs to the phone head. Now let's add here additional TD as well. Okay. Now let's go in here and add a table head, country, and then go in here and add TD India and table data Italy. Now let's say that David has no additional number, or that we forgot to add a TD, another number to David, and we added the country Spain. Now as you can see, Spain has gone below the phone, although Spain belongs to the country. Well, that's because we have specified that the phone is expecting 2 table data. It's going to occupy 2 data. So in case, for example, David has no additional number, you need to write the TD, which belongs to the phone, because we've said that phone is going to take 2 table data, so you need to write it down. And then as you can see now, Spain is going to go below the country. So you need to be careful. In case you said that the phone, the TH phone, the table head phone is going to take call span 2, then you're clarifying and you're stating that we expect 2 table data to belong to the phone in here. Okay, so you need to be careful. Now, what if I need, for example, to make another table and I need to increase the rows? Like I need to write the phone and then 1, 2, 3 below each other, not next to each other. So in order to do that, we're going to use the row span, and let's check out how. So now I have deleted my table and let's add another table. First we have TR, and inside the TR we're going to add TH name and then TD add. Okay, now let's add another TR, and inside it we're going to add TH phone. Now this table carries the information of only one individual, TD, and here's our phone. Now let's say that we need to add another number which goes under this number. Okay, so in order to do that, we're going to add row span 2, and the row span occupies 2 rows, unlike the column span. The column span occupies 2 table data next to each other, row span under each other. So row span clarifies that we're going to add additional table row. So we go in here and add TR and then TD and our number. So here's our number. Now in case we've added 3, so we're going to add another TR, and here's our number. So this is our first TR, the second TR, and the third TR. So to sum up, I've added these 2 tables, and as you can see, one for the row span and one for the call span. And in the row span, our data is displayed below each other because in the row span we're increasing our table row. However, in the call span, the data are next to each other because in the call span we're increasing the number of the table data itself. So that's it for today's video, and see you guys in the next video.